The Great Reed Warbler is a bird species belonging to the order Passeriformes and the family Acrocephalidae, commonly found in regions with tall reed beds. This bird emits a monotonous and low-pitched sound, repeating 2 to 4 notes in bursts, sometimes mimicking other bird species. Its call is characterized by a calm, churr sound. The Great Reed Warbler inhabits tall reeds, and when moving, it often holds its head up and lowers its tail, moving sideways through the reeds. It is curious but also appears nervous. Notably, this species is often tricked by cuckoos, ending up raising the cuckoo's offspring.